to Blackie. Are you magical? Kinda. But I don't want to talk about it. Oh, tell me. Come on now, you know. Oh yeah, Sticko's duplicated. And what is this? It's pretty scary. I think I'm moving somewhere else. Anyone want to do this? Goes. Ah! Ah! Ow! Ah! I stop fighting. Oh God. Oh! Ah! Those stickers. Why are Midnight and Garfield are fighting? I want to talk to you about something. About what? I see a bee. Come on, wouldn't you want to tell me what it is? Those birds over there, they're circling the roof. God. Why are they circling the house? No, but I think they're coming for a bird attack. They just dropped these bombs. Oh, we gotta warn the others. I'll tell Garfield at midnight. Ow. Oh, Garfield, midnight. What? Blackie told me there was these birds circling the house, and it's kind of scary. So I think they're taking cover. What? They stop! They stop! Ah!